So now that we have our application complete, all that is left to do now is upload our code onto GitHub and deploy our application onto the web. So first of all, if we close our terminal down, I want to first of all go on here and type in git status in our terminal. There's a lot of files here in red, so we need to add them. So git add space and dot. This will add them to our commit. And if we do git status once again, they should turn green, which they have done. So now we need to type in a commit message. So git space commit -m, and the message is going to be completed Amazon clone, like so, and press enter again. So now, as you see here, that number has gone down to 0. All we need to do now is to git push and press enter. And now this has pushed all of our code that we have just completed onto our GitHub repository that we cloned initially from our GitHub profile. So if we go in here and check our repositories, so check the repositories, Amazon clone-yt, and as you can see here, all of the code has uploaded and it just says now we have done one commit, which is correct. All we now need to do is log into Vercel, which is on here, so vercel.com/dashboard. If we go into add new project here, all we want to do now is import what we have just done, which is this Amazon clone-yt. So if we import this, we do not need any environment variables as we haven't used any. And we also do not need build and output settings. So all we need to do now is click deploy, and then this should run the next build command and build our application so it's lightweight and ready to deploy on the web. So now, as you can see here, it says congratulations, you just deployed your new project to Vercel. So that has now deployed onto the web. If we click on continue to dashboard, this now has given me a URL that I have got here. So if we click through to this, and as you can see here, the website is working correctly. The image isn't loading correctly, so that might be something to look at in the future to see what is actually happening and why it's not rendering. So if we click through to the T, you can see here the relevant information is being added. If I click add to basket and click through to my basket, as you can see here, it's added 6 items in the basket. So now all I can do is remove from basket, so we know that is working. And just finally, for Firebase authentication, if I click sign in, all I want to do is add my email, my password 123456, click sign in. As you can see, I'm now signed in, so that is working as well. And you can see here the email is showing up, and we can also sign out as well. Anyways, I hope you learned a lot in this video and I hope it helped you out. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.